We have watched from the mountains as you makeup companies put grey undertones in my foundation. Why?
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steffi J, and we are back with another video. Welcome to all my new subbies. How are you? Thank you for kicking it with the kid. I appreciate you. Now, you guys are not new to this. I need you to hit that big old red shiny button so you don't miss any of Shorty's antics. Keep up with the kid, okay? In today's video, we are talking about Maybelline's 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. We're going to see between two shades which one is my perfect match. And I've gone ahead and added all of my foundation matches to the description box because we might be foundation twinsies and I want this video to help you. So I decided to pick up this foundation in two shades. The first shade is in 356 Warm Coconut and the other shade is in 360 Mocha. I'm going to just be testing on my face to see which one you think I could rock. Now this means I'm going to need you guys to be interactive in the comment section below. Do not have me out here walking around like Cousin It. I need you guys to help me and tell me which one I should be using. And since this is a Maybelline foundation, I will be using the Master Prime in 100 all over my face. And this is in the color Warm Coconut. And this one is in the Mocha. Now let's see how these swatches look on my face. And I'm back 4 hours later. This foundation is supposed to be oil-free and not clog your pores. This is how my face is holding up. I did decide to go with the Mocha color because you all saw how Warm Coconut tried to disrespect the kid and we can't have that. This is my face up close. You can see all the imperfections and such, but what I can say about this foundation is that it's very movable. It doesn't get stuck or patched in one area. It moves very well with my buffing brush, which I appreciate. I am an oily skin chick and right now it looks like I'm glowing and not sweating, so I don't know if this will hold up in the summer though. We're gonna have to see, but for right now I'm liking the scenario. So for a drugstore foundation for $11, is it $11.99? This is good. Like if you're a new makeup person or you just don't know where to start and you don't want to get expensive foundation, this is a good place to start. I really do enjoy this. I did set my face with the Maybelline powder. I didn't highlight, I didn't contour, I just put a little glow there from Makeup Revolution. I'll put the color in the description box. And that's it, you guys. That is my little foundation tester video. Do you guys like it? Have you purchased it? Have you tried it already? Has it made you break out? Like, warn me, like what's going on? This is my first time ever using it. It doesn't feel like I have it on my face, which I appreciate. It's very movable and I don't think my smile lines are that bad. This is all pressed powder that I lightly buffed. I didn't do anything out of the ordinary because I really want to see how the foundation could stand up without me using like very thick primers or loose powders or anything like that. So I'm not mad at you, little Miss Maybelline. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.